What is the collection of web pages and a website? If you want to know what is a collection of web pages, what are web pages, what is a website, we have gone into detail about, like, some people even want to know what is a blog and what is a website. However, in this guide, Arshad has covered about what are the collection, what are web pages, what are a collection of web pages, and how could a website have web pages, all those things. So this article covers it. I want to link up in the below of this video. However, just to give a touch base on it and read through it so you get an understanding about what is a collection of website, and what is a website, and why should you actually start a website. So web page is a collection of information that is viewable on the world wide web. A website is a group of web pages that are related to each other and typically hosted on the same server as on a website, right? So you can host is a hosting provider which provide web servers to host website. Websites are usually divided into categories such as e-commerce, news and entertainment. You can see so many websites on the web. Already you've seen this on YouTube, which is a website, a media website, a video uploading website. What is a collection of web pages called? The collection of web pages called a website. Website is a collection of web pages that have images, media files, content, design, functional scripts files together, hosted in the web hosting server. So that server hosts the website files that populates and makes the web pages, which is the website, which consists multiple amount of web pages, blog posts, all those things, literally. So it's not just a web pages. Even a blog post is a page, you view on this. So you're viewing this video on a web page on YouTube or on Seekerhost website, which is a web page either written and as a blog post article. Reason for creating a web page and a website. A website can be created for a variety of reasons, such as selling products, sharing information, and entertaining viewers, which is YouTube is doing. There are several different ways to creating a website, such as using the website builder, hiring a designer, coding yourself, and learning like the CMS like WordPress, which is pretty easy to build a website these days. And Seekos that covers so many guys on Seekos University, as well as on the Seekos channel, about how to go about creating a website with a blog and start writing, publishing, and even go about making money. A web page is a part of a website which will have different sections attached to the menu, which you can see on the Seekost website. There are different menus, drop down menus, which gives you links to visit the other pages. So websites can the languages wise, the building, it's mostly HTML as well as different CS and others are often hosted on a web server, which is a computer that stores all the files which I went about. Now, using PHP is used to create a mostly secured, accessible PHP website. PHP is used on WordPress websites as a part of the code. So that's a programming aspect. I don't think if you're really new to what is a website, you don't have to go there. But this article is linked below. You can read to learn more about the website and what is a website consists of. And then, of course, things like CMS, as I mentioned, the WordPress is a content management system. So the website is there, web pages are there. How do you write on the back end to be reflected on the front end of the website, on the web page, so the people on the world wide web can access and read it and consume the website data, the media, the video. Structure of the website. Web page is made up of several different elements, each with its role to play an overall design. The header is usually the first thing that visitors to a web page will see, so it is important to make a good impression with this element. The header usually contains the site's logo, as in Seekohouse, and well, some navigations and the menus. The main content area is where the most of the page content will be located. This is where you will want to put your most important information, such as your company's information, the story, the products, and even the contact buttons, the phone numbers, details, and things, the proper links that you want them to make a click. The footer is the last thing that the visitors will see. However, make sure the footer is nicely done. If you visit the Seekohost .com.in.uk, any of the country domain footers, you can see all the links are, because if a person scroll down to the below of the website, we want to make sure they take some action, maybe find what they are looking for. So That's the thing. And the website's data is located on server. Seeker has the data center locations in various places where people's website data is hosted. So say you're in the UK, you're running a business in London, then it's better vital for you to get your website data hosted in a London server, which has close proximity. So it's a micro adversary advantage that's going to improve the site loading speeds when hundreds or thousands of people are visiting, the usability of the website. So these details are mentioned, but in this video you got to understand what is a website and what are web pages and what are web pages are built of, what are the programming languages of HTML and PHP, and go get started a website and start learning. That's how I got started building my first WordPress blog and started writing and start building websites and started teaching people to build websites. And here I am at Seekhost.